Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just prepping my turbo. Finally have the money saved up. I'm going to be sending this off to Turbos R Us, aka Chris Robbins. He builds up our Evo 10 and our Rally turbos that I know of. Very reputable, so finally get the money saved up and I'm just about to go ship this off to him. So he only really needs the compressor and I guess the hot side. So I'm right now in the middle of removing all the lines, and that's what you can expect if you're going to go a turbo with his route. But I'm not going to give any spoilers out there. I'm not going to tell you guys which turbo I am upgrading to, but just know I'm aiming for above 500 horsepower. I'll just say that for now. And that's just for this immediate future. I still need to build the block and upgrade the SST and things of that nature. So we're going to go pretty conservative at first. See how I like driving a fast car. This will be like the fastest car I've ever owned. I mean, it already is. So I'll be pretty excited to do that. But here's how I'm going to ship the turbo off. Just like this. Nothing fancy. It already has a wastegate on there, so I'm not going to do his wastegate upgrade. And as you can see, there is one stud on there that is stuck. I've tried the 2-nut method. Didn't really work for me, but I'm just trying to get this turbo sent out, get it back, and then I can go ahead and mess around with it. But that's all I really got for you guys today. Figured I haven't really updated you guys on anything. I had a lot of my turbo build parts come in, so I have my new AMS downpipe, the intercooler, and yeah, so things are slowly starting to come in through the mail. A lot more stuff coming for the Rally Art, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about the build, let me know and I'll try to address them for you. So pretty excited, saved up a lot of money. This wasn't cheap by any means, but I'm gonna be pretty excited to go ahead and get this baby back. So let me go ahead and give you one last little look of her before I go ahead and ship her off in the box. Alright, so here is the turbo. And here is that little stud. I really need to get that out of there. Worst case scenario, it's still usable. I could fit a nut on there. Hopefully there will be clearance with the exhaust manifold. Time will tell, we'll see. I still got plenty of time. And again, here is the compressor side with our Turbo Smart wastegate. Gonna be pretty excited to see how this turns out. Leave a comment down below any guesses what you think I'm gonna be going with. He's got multiple upgrades that he can do for this thing. But yeah, so all the lines are off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in that box. And yeah, wait a couple weeks, get it back, and hopefully I'll be one happy customer. But yeah, I have so much stuff going on, I'm kind of out of sequence, but stay tuned for the AMS intercooler install. And also stay tuned for AMS downpipe unboxing. So those should be coming out here pretty soon as well. I just want to go ahead and get this turbo shipped out. Pretty excited, so that's why I want to go ahead and give you guys a little life update and a little car update on what's been going on over here. Because I was posting about 2 videos a week and kind of fell off the planet for about the last 2 or 3 weeks. So just keeping you guys in the loop. See you guys in the next one. Peace. 50 pounds.